Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, RV Saros. Ngayon sa videong ito ay pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa basil leaf, dahon ng basil, ang mga health benefits nito at ang uses sa mga food preparation. Ano ang basil leaf? Ang basil leaf ay tinatawag din ang sweet basil, annual herb of the mint family, known for its aromatic leaves. The leaves are used fresh or dried to flavor meats, fish, salads, and sauces. Basil tea is a stimulant. How to identify basil leaves? Basil leaves are solid and oblong with a point at the end. The leaves of common sweet basil have a glossy green appearance and grow between 2 and 4 inches long. The leaves often have a slight curve downward with a slightly bumpy or grooved appearance along the veins in the leaves. Ito naman ang mga health benefits ng basil. They are antioxidant. It helps maintain skin health. It has antibacterial properties. It boosts digestion and detoxify the body. It helps in the prevention and cure of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and other heart conditions. At may mga vitamins din tayong makukuha from basil leaf. Ito ay ang vitamin A, vitamin K, iron, manganese, calcium, and essential oil. Sweet basil has a very strong smell and a recognizable flavor. Different varieties of basil offer slightly different flavors. For instance, lemon basil has a tangy lemon taste, while mint basil has a refreshing minty taste. This is actually one of the oldest herbs known to mankind. Basil healing and healthful properties have been the most treasured knowledge across the world. Is basil good for your lungs? This is actually one of the common questions that we usually ask. Holy basil has diverse actions on the respiratory system. It effectively liquefies the phlegm and is effective for cough due to allergic bronchitis, asthma, and eosinophilic lung disease. Originally native to India, Asia, and Africa, basil was held to be a sacred and noble herb. In fact, the word basil comes from the ancient Greek basilikhon, which means royal. Basil leaf makes a colorful and flavorful addition to many different dishes. Another variety of basil leaf is the purple basil. Holy basil is best cooked. It can be bitter when raw, but purple basil is best raw as that pretty purple color turns black when cooked. So it means to say that the purple basil is actually very good when you just chew it instead of cooking it because it turns the food black. And now this is the most important part on how we can use basil in our daily cooking. So despite what you make here, pesto recipe, as we usually know that basil leaf is actually the best to put in our pasta or pesto. So if you got an enthusiastic basil leaf in your garden or basil plant, you absolutely can whip up some of that fresh green sauce and basil for the future. And there are also other things that where you can use basil leaf. So here are the following foods and desserts that you can use basil leaf. You can use basil leaf in some of your main dishes, such as the following. Alright, so we're almost done, guys. I hope you learned something about basil leaf. Sana nga may natutunan kayo. Alright,